Okay, what we got here is the Champion 25 ton. Had a problem with the cylinder. The ram kept extending no matter what you did. I took apart the control valve. Those are pretty simple, very straightforward. What we got here in the back of the pickup truck is the cylinder, and here you can see the gland. I'll show you then how to take that apart. It's quite easy with a wrench, but can't see it here, but there's the piston. The nut comes off the back of the shaft. Got the shaft here, see, there's the end of the shaft. Right there, see, we got the nut inside, so I don't know. I'm going to take it home and see if we can get it figured out here. Okay, so what we found here is, so here's your main piston, and it goes in there like so, and the nut definitely came off the back. So to get this piston, it was stuck inside the bore here, right in this here area. You can't really get it out easily because there's a change in surface texture here, so it likes to stick. So what I did was I took my slide hammer, and this was inside the cylinder. So I put this in here, and I took a washer and I ground it 2 flats on it, and was able to slide it in at an angle past here like this. Gave it a couple of jerks with the slide hammer, and out it came. So it comes out pretty easy. So simple slide hammer. You can't pull it out by hand, but it's pretty easy. Now the lock nut, it's got a metal retainer on it, so either they didn't have this on all the way, didn't torque it tight enough, or what. But I think that what the plan is I'm going to take and put red Loctite, clean these threads up, get all the oil off, put some red Loctite on here. I've got the red Loctite here from McMaster-Carr, 271 is what they had in stock. That should be plenty enough, and I'm going to go after it with an impact gun here and really drive this on here so that it can't come off, and then we'll put it all back together and see what it does. Let's clean this off with some brake cleaner. These threads are really clean. Okay. And then on this side also, this undercut here goes towards the nut side like this. I'll make sure all these surfaces are really clean, especially the seal in there. If you think you nicked it getting it apart, now would be a good time to replace it. This one's in really good shape, so I was very careful with it when I took everything apart, so I think it's okay. Okay, so this will go on here like this. Okay, so this is a 36 millimeter socket, and we're gonna well, I don't know if that was a good idea or not. It's like it locked itself in there pretty good. Now let's see if we can get that out. Oh, it's in there good. There we go. Well, it's still loose. We didn't get it nearly tight enough. starting to turn here in the vise. I'm gonna tighten this down here a bit more. Okay, that's pretty tight. Good reading on that or not? Kind of at a strange angle here. There's 120, at least 140 foot-pounds. At least. Okay, so here she goes. I felt like it wanted to go there. There it goes, right in. Nice and smooth. See if this will knock all in here. Okay, look at that. Okay. Now I got this tool here. It's called a C-spanner. This thing's 4 inches in diameter, so you need a 4-inch diameter one. Got this off of Amazon. I'll include the link in the bottom, but I had to modify the tip here so that it fits in this hole here on the cylinder gland. So we'll use this here to get it started. Thread this in. So that's when I put that on there, it's a pretty firm stop. So it's pretty obvious when it bottoms out. And I don't think I can move this. This is all those seals. Oh yeah, again. There we go. Okay, so everything seems to be okay. Nothing's bound up. There you have it. One repaired cylinder. Okay, we got our cylinder here. This is held in with a pin. Just tighten everything up and top it off with the wheel. Should be good to go.